Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about class 6 mathematics chapter number 5, which is understanding elementary shapes. And the topics we are going to discuss in this video are measuring line segments. So first come to introduction of this chapter. There are so many shapes around us made up of lines and curves like line segment, angle, line segment, then this is angle, triangle, polygon, circle, etc. So these shapes are different in size and measure also. Okay, if we compare the line segment with the angle, both are different, okay, in size as compared to measure also. Here first one is the line segment, second this is the angle, and third one is the triangle. We can say this one as polygon also. Next come to measuring line segment. A line segment is a fixed part of the line, so it must have some length. We can compare any line segment on the basis of their length. Okay, so as we have already discussed, this line segment, line, ray, all is in chapter number 4 of your class. So line segment is a fixed part of the line. Okay, so it must have some length. We can compare any two line segment. Okay, so first one is by comparison by observation. Okay, first we'll discuss the comparison of two line segment by observation. We can tell which line segment is greater than other just by observing two line segment, but it is not sure. Okay, look at here. Here there are two line segment. First one is line segment AB and second one is line segment CD. We can say that this one, that is AB, is greater than CD. Obviously, by just looking at these two line segment, we can say that first one, that is AB, is greater than CD. Okay, but sometimes it is difficult to tell which one is greater. Suppose you have given two line segment like this one, first one and second one. In that type of case, if we compare these two line segment, we can say that which one is greater and which one is smaller. For such type of comparison, there is another method. Come to that one, comparing by tracing. In this method, we have to trace one line on the paper, then put the trace line segment on the other line to check that which one is greater. Suppose first we have to draw a trace line on the paper. After that, we have to trace another line on the another paper, and we have to cut this one and paste above this one to check that which one is greater and smaller. But this is difficult method because every time to measure different size of line segments, we have to make a separate line segment. Okay, we have to cut different line segment. So it is difficult method that you have to draw different line segment for comparison of different one. Next, third one is comparison by using ruler and a divider. We can use a ruler to measure the length of the line segment. As you know that ruler means scale that is used to measure the length of any line segment or to draw the line segment. Look at here. So here is the line, that is A to L. Here line is L, and we can measure the length of this one, or we can draw any line segment by using this ruler. Put the zero mark at the point A. Okay, here we have to put a point and we have to place the ruler just above that line segment, and 0 should be coincide with that point. Then move towards L to measure the length of the line segment. Suppose I am taking another point here, that one is B. So we can say that one as the measure of line segment is 5.3 or 5.2. But it may have some error due to basis of thickness of the ruler. Suppose you are viewing from this side, okay, we can say that this one is 5.4. But if we view from this side, that is from right side, we can say that one as it is 5.2. So because of the thickness of this one, that is ruler, okay, there may be some error due to thickness of ruler. Okay, for that reason there could be made accurate by using the divider. Okay, because of thickness of ruler, we are using divider for the accuracy of measuring. First, what to do, we have to put a point. After that, we have to measure whatever may be the length of the line segment by using divider. So first point is put one end point of the divider at point A. Okay, here you have to put at A end point, you have to put the one divider, and upon it to put the another one, okay, another pointer at point B. Clear? Next one is, now pick up the divider without disturbing the opening. Okay, without changing this opening, we have to take that one, that is the divider, and place it on the ruler. Okay, so that one point of the divider is at 0 point, another should be, we can measure. Okay, we have to check that whatever after marking at the other end, we can compare the two line segment. Okay, that's all. Thank you.